Okay, so I'm in my mom's garden and I got something else to try, and believe it or not, in this little box is a raised garden bed. And I don't know what it's gonna look like, but we're gonna give it a shot today. So let's open it up. So you can see by the size of the box, it's not very big at all, the packaging. So I'll be interested to see how this thing comes together. Okay, so here it is. These aluminum pieces. And it's actually pretty thick. I mean, the box is pretty heavy. All right, I see now. Here's the curved pieces. That's how it's packed. That makes more sense now. Let's take a look at the curved pieces. So it's actually quite thick. I'm actually pretty surprised it's this thick. I thought it'd be a lot flimsier. And the nuts they give you are these wing nuts, which is really nice because then you could just screw it with your hands. Set of gloves, don't cut yourself. More walls. Butterfly stickers if you're so inclined. And some directions. Pretty simple, just put up the walls and screw them together. So let's give it a shot. So it looks like each side you're gonna put 6 of these to make the curve. And to put them together, take these guys. Stick it through. Turn the wing nut. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's put them all together and come back and take a look at what it looks like fully assembled. Okay, so there are some different configurations you can do this. I think I'm gonna go with something that looks like this guy or this guy, but we're just gonna see how much space I have and go from there. All right, so after we finished half of it already, we realized we should have put the wing nuts on the inside so it looks better than putting it on the outside. Here's the look of that. But regardless, I'm not gonna take them out, I'm just gonna leave them. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I think it looks pretty good, and it would look better if we put all the screws, the wing nuts on the inside, but we went on the outside. But like I said, I'm not changing it right now. And it's a really good sized garden bed considering the little box it came in. And it's really quite sturdy and it's not too heavy. So we're not sure where my mom wants it, so I'm not gonna fill it up right now. You know, there's things to clean up before we actually put it down, but I'm gonna throw in some soil bags so that you see how much soil you would need for something like this. Okay, so these bags are 1.5 cubic feet each, 42.5 liters. And you could see you'd probably need, I'm gonna say 12 of these bags to fill up this garden bed. So this is a very significantly sized garden bed. You know, it's not small. If you wanted a smaller configuration, I bet you could have done it with 2 turns or something like that in one wall. But there it is. Surprisingly, that little box made this big old garden bed.